Hi there, my lovelies. This is Jana here and Nico. Welcome to our kitchen. So Nico is going to be here with me today. He loves to be in the video, so please leave him a comment telling him how cute he is. He's the latest adopted in the family, so he's the sixth of the babies. Back to the video. We're going to make a 3 ingredients, I kid you not, 3 ingredients gluten-free vegan bread that it is amazing. Sorry for yelling. I'm excited because it's so good. So the first ingredient is linseed, which we're going to grind, transfer to a bowl, and then add psyllium husk, add hot water, and this is it. Now, if you want to add a pinch of salt and a little bit of sugar, be my guest, you can do that. It will enhance and bring out all the flavors. That's what salt, mainly salt, is a flavor enhancer, okay? So you can add anything else to enhance the flavors. What? For example, any spice you want, some oregano or something like that. But I think that a pinch of salt will make the world of difference, okay? So now we're going to knead it a little bit. It's supposed to look like a bread dough, you know, a little bit more on the firmer side. He agrees. Oh, he's so cute. His family left and left him behind. I know, but don't worry, he's special. He's so cute, isn't he? He's talking, he's saying hello to you guys. So wait, now important, okay? I was getting distracted by this black beauty here. Who wouldn't, right? Look at this. I have a house panther. I have 2 actually, him and Pokey, his brother. So wait, guys, that's very important. Wait until the bread is completely cool at room temperature before you slicing it, okay? Gluten-free breads, they need the time to cool completely and the bread's ready. How about that? Don't you love it? I absolutely love it, and I will say that again because new people here, so they don't, so they have never heard me repeating myself, but I will. So if you're new, welcome. It's good to have you here with us. I was gonna say something I say all the time. I only bring to the channel recipes that I love, okay? That I love and that I approve. Otherwise, no matter how many views it has on wherever, I don't care. It has to be something that it is delicious and affordable, easy to make, and yet looks like $1 million, because that's how we roll here, isn't it? So this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. This is one of my favorites. I love it. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? It is so good with jam. I couldn't go out with my day. It's good with jam. Try it, okay? And next week, I have a surprise for you guys. You're gonna love it. Something that I put together myself, a dessert. Just wanted to leave you guys on a little bit of a cliffhanger, but it's gonna worth it, I promise, okay? So leave me a thumbs up. And Nico, he deserves it. And subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed. I don't know why, because it's free. Subscribe. And consider joining this channel. It will help me a lot. And so to stimulate me to keep making contents for you guys, because I really love. And it's going to be really, really nice to have you on board. And apart from that, you guys have a wonderful week. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye. So if you're new, welcome. It's good to have you here with us. I was gonna say something I say all the time, which I forgot. I only bring... Look at it. Spoiled. Oh, he's saying join the channel. That's true. He said that.